Hey guys, today I'm making a video on how to get Lifeboat Survival Games on Minecraft Pocket Edition. On iOS, Android, pretty much any electronic that is PC or PS type thing, whatever. Okay, so you're going to want to go to Minecraft Pocket Edition. Go in, whatever. Play, whatever. So what you're gonna do is go new world. This sign here. Name it whatever you want. I'm just gonna write it. Test for you to done. Then you're gonna go. Oops, no caps. sg.lbsg.net. Whoops, not H. sg.lbsg.net. Then you can leave the port. I pressed it and it says this server has already been added. That's because I already have it right there. Whoops, first one. And then to get Skywars, I'm just going to add this to the video because why not? It's the same thing, you do the same thing. Leave the port. It's sw.lbsg.net. Ta-da, and then perfect. And you see those numbers at the top of the thing? That's how many people's on, and the maximum of people that you have. That's it for the video. Thanks, comment, subscribe, and like. Bye. Hope you enjoyed.